forward. It is the sun, but it is immediate. We can achieve this in pictures for the intelligent trying to be captured. The thought of one which is yeah, for example, the river facing the city is not the deal with what is consider which is very I think for one consideration for all kinds of applications. That is a key to win the competition. Wecon solution for AC1 in some other machine has a high precision with quick response. Its operation is flexible. Its production is much bigger. This solution is based on Wecon machine vision, LX5V PLC under VD2 servos. Wecon solution for aluminum profile milling is based on LX5V PLC under VD2 servo drive. This solution can effectively guarantee the safety for personnel and equipment. The user set up. So we can use to even with that idea it's a whole consequence of we don't easily know and we share the share. Okay.我们春回来就不帮忙，所谓只能我景色定期不要在我们在市不去在市越行动更是Substance needs experience and accumulation. Wecon team is growing fast. The core of the software have become the backbone in R&D and R&D cost. We keep passion. We never stop. We always are here to provide the better products and actual solutions for clients from all over the world. Precision manufacturing, innovation driven. Wecon empowering the industrial future with intelligent technology, building intelligent manufacturing, reliable quality, precise inventory control, and efficient inspection of material balance. How that inductive smart material rack is equipped with one-click light indication for accurate guidance. Fast position, surface mount technology, production lines integrated with a much test electrical performance. All automatic control and both frames provide operating protection for without being on self-developed control solutions to ensure stable operation. Intelligent key was the advice. Product traceability We got warehouse management system. After picking verification is instructed, the process from production to outbound delivery of Wecon products is continued. Relying on full process digital systems and self-developed technical support, Wecon products are sold to more than 120 countries and regions worldwide, delivering reliable services to global clients.
Hello, sir.
That's my very good friend.
Yes, Mr. C. Yeah,
He's from a nearby city.
nearby city.
Yes, and he's a distributor, very good distributor.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And Roy is looking after.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You know me?
Only in group chat.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. आप आए
Yes.
तो अच्छा
Recording all of the cycles and achieving both sustainable efficiency. The weather systems of leadership. Wecon has invented a concept from products of thought in innovation solutions of function. Where the continuous iteration, Wecon HMI constantly improves the level of iteration and the intellectualization for your device. Our HMI enables your device to connect with internet easily. Use it to monitor the industrial field in a real time and effective manner. Combined with the smart gateway device and the IIoT HMI, leaders can provide the manufacturer with all-round equipment and insurance. It's a seamless way to like the efficiency among the business, personnel, and management. Wecon allows the PLC boasts more results and the faster design. It is integrated with a paper pad. It is special for applications of floating inshore and the IIoT solution. Wecon Shovel is based on deep understanding of the pain points and the difficulties of the applications. Therefore, Wecon Shovel design will be time-focused from our customers. Wecon frequency inverter has excellent support. It is the same and easy to use. Wecon machine vision is featured with intelligent identification of the prompt operation, which makes it the standard in applications such as AC, DC, and wireless control machines.
camera is that side.
Wecon identity has a
Turn to that side. Okay. So one light up as it
outside.
we need to light up.
The country.
Light up.
Together. Based on Wecon product, big magnetic where the growth country, Wecon identity and the bridge library. Say the one education, all kinds of applications.
Not sure. Maybe go there.
It's already this solution.
Yeah.
This way, this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the list of the products, change the address.
आलोक जी विकास जी का
मैं फोन करता हूँ कहना मैं इस साइड हूँ उस साइड में मैं गोली रखता रहता ये तो लाइन ही है सर ठीक है
सौरभ कोई बात आ जाओ I would like to request Mr. Ankit and Mr. Rose to get into that. Welcome, welcome to all of you. Thank you. Let us start with today's webinar. Namaskar. Good evening, everybody. Sat Sri Akal, Jai Mata Di, Hari Om. First of all, I, Parag Shukla, CEO of Wecon India, would like to extend my warm welcome and sincere thanks to all of you for taking the time to join us today for this important seminar organized by Wecon India. It is truly a pleasure to see so many respected customers, system integrators, OEM manufacturers, panel builders, machine manufacturers, automation professionals, consultants, and industry partners gathered here today. I can see many of our beloved customers and many friends here. On behalf of entire Wecon India team, I welcome you all to this seminar here in Delhi City, or we can say New Delhi. Today's event is not just a product presentation, it is a platform for knowledge sharing because all you are highly technocrat people. Technology discussion, business networking, of course, you are all here. So you can share lots of things. You can share some business with each other. So it's definitely help each other in networking and exploring future opportunities together in the field of industrial automation and industry 4.0. I would especially like to introduce and welcome our colleagues from Wecon Technology China who have joined us for this seminar. We are honored to have Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy is sales manager.
He looks after India and Southeast Asia. And Mr. David, technical engineer from Wecon area. I did not to say that. Please give them a warm round of applause. You have already applauded them. Their presence here reflects a strong commitment of Wecon towards the Indian market. Indian market is significant really, and towards supporting our customers with the latest automation technology, technical expertise, and long-term cooperation. I would like to appreciate and thank our local hero, Mr. Saurabh, and Ranjit from Punjab territory, working continuously in this territory to support customers, provide technical solutions, after-sales service, and business development activities. A special thanks also goes to our respected distributor and channel partners of this region for their excellent support in organizing the seminar and continuously promoting the Wecon brand in the market. Friends, India today is growing rapidly in manufacturing, infrastructure, process industries, packaging, textile, pharmaceutical, water treatment, renewable energy, machine automation, and smart factory solutions. I need not to discuss everything because you know better than me. With this industrial growth, the demand for reliable and user-friendly, cost-effective, advanced automation products is increasing every day. And Wecon, our mission is very clear to provide high-quality automation products with advanced technology, practical features, strong technical support, and competitive pricing, of course, so that industries can improve productivity, efficiency, reliability, and profitability. Over the years, Wecon has developed a strong portfolio of products including HMI, PLC. I think you all know servo drives and motors, VFDs, industrial IoT solutions, remote monitoring systems, SCADA connectivity, motion control solutions, industrial communication products. Today, thousands of machine and industrial systems across various countries are operating successfully using Wecon products. You will see later on that we are supplying more than 120 countries across the world. In India also, we are receiving excellent support from machine manufacturers, OEMs, panel builders, and automation integrators due to the combination of technology, quality, and affordability altogether. During today's seminar, our team will represent somewhat about company introduction, some product introductions, some technical aspects of products, new technology trends, real industrial applications, product demonstration, and you might have seen all the products already. You have seen all the products, remote monitoring and industrial IoT concepts, motion and control solutions for modern industries. Mr. David will also share some technical insight. He's thorough technical engineer and practical application knowledge, which I believe will be very useful for your projects and future business opportunities. We encourage all participants to interact openly during the seminar. इसको थोड़ा इंटरेक्टिव ज्यादा बनाना है, ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ से ही आए. हम चाहते हैं कि आपकी ओर से भी काफी कुछ इंटरेक्शन हो, सो थोड़ा बोरिंग भी नहीं लगे और एक दूसरे का नॉलेज ऐसी चीज है बांटने से बढ़ती है, आप सब जानते हैं. तो हम लोग नॉलेज बांटेंगे एक दूसरे के साथ. प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस, discuss your application requirements, share your challenges, and explore possibilities with our team. At Wecon India, we strongly believe that our success depends on success of our customers and channel partners. Right, Shubhamji? Therefore, we always focus not only on selling products, but a building long-term relationship based on trust, technical support, business ethics, commitment, continuous improvement. Friends, automation is no longer an option. पहले ऐसा था कि automation एक luxury माना जाता है ना, but nowadays it is not that. It is automation is a necessity of the business. Today, it is essential for competitiveness, energy efficiency, quality improvement, predictive maintenance, and smart manufacturing. Industry 4.0, industrial IoT, cloud connectivity, remote diagnostics, and intelligent motion controls are shaping the future of industry worldwide. Wecon is committed to bringing these technologies to India in a practical and affordable way for every level of industry, from small machine builders to large manufacturing plants. I sincerely hope that today's seminar will be informative, interactive, and beneficial for all of you. Once again, I thank you all of your valuable presence and support. I would like I also thank our Wecon charity, our local team members, our distributor partners, and all organizers for making this event possible. Let us begin today's seminar with positive energy, open discussion, and shared vision for our growth and innovation. Wish you all a very informative and successful seminar. Thank you so much. And a big round of applause for everyone. Meanwhile, I'm host of this event today, तो मैं आपको थोड़ा परिचय करता रहूँगा तो थोड़ा मुझे शहर चला जाए now first I would like to invite our Mr. Roy to give some ideas about our company infrastructure, how our company works, कैसी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करती है, क्या क्या मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेसेस है, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल कैसे करते हैं, वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन बताएंगे. उसके बाद थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट के बारे में भी वो स्टार्ट करेंगे बिकॉज वी हैव लिमिटेड टीम हियर so it will explain you about the some HMI products and PAC. Then Mr. David will take care of some IoT products and Mr. Saurabh will with presentation of servo and DFT. तो जब भी आप बोर हो तो मुझे बोल देना कि कुछ आगे करेंगे, ठीक है? Please welcome Mr. Saurabh. So it's a moment. Hello everyone. Yes, my name is Roy. I'm coming from China, and today I'm so honored to be here and having so many friends here. And today, this is our this Wecon India Roadshow bus station in Delhi, in the capital city of India. And I want to say something. First, it's about how can I say that? How can I say that? Yeah. I'm coming to India since May 19. So it's nearly about over 2 weeks. And today, I was so happy that someone tells me that he was married. Earlier, he was he was like not that bad. And I asked him why. He said, marriage and love makes me fat. And also, for me, I'm here about 2 weeks. 2 weeks more, I at least gain 2 kg or 3 kg. I feel this is the love from India to make me fat. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so now let us get started for Wecon company introduction. Okay, so our everlasting bond with India starting from 12 years ago, and it is quite honor that we have bring here by our most important partner, Wecon here, and let us take a video, check a video here. Sorry. And this video is about that since 2014 we came here, and we have a partner here. Then we joined exhibition. In the very beginning, we have a just very small booth, and later on we have a Wecon India. Then we having very big size, minimum like 36 or 44 or even 50 square meter booths here. And after that, we are kind of encouraging our local distributors to having their booths. Actually, today in Coimbatore, right? Yes, Coimbatore, we have another Intech 2026. Intech 2026, we have another distributor. They are having their Wecon booth there, and it is quite about a step-by-step forward. Then Wecon is having a great growing by the support of everyone here, by the support of every customers and partners and all over India. So it is great honor for that. And then those are the photos about 14 years ago. That here, Mr. Clark and some of my colleagues, even my boss are here. At that time, my boss still have some short hairs, but after 12 years, he turns to be no hair. He turns to be no hair. Even everybody get growth, and also people get old. Like Prague also get old. I can see that, but he's like a grown man and teach us a lot of things. Actually, he's kind of my mentor teacher. Yes, I get a lot of support from him. Thank you. And what makes more important that during those 12 years, the India's GDP is really take off. That it is starting from $2 trillion US, and in 2025 it is over $4 trillion US. So big clap for India. Yes, this is amazing thing to happen that in India, that it is starting from global rank 10th and up to global rank 5th. But I check again. Actually, it is number 4, right? Actually, it is number 4. Yes. So it is a very good thing that contribute by everyone. Yes. I think everybody grow a lot. Yes. Then also about 12 years ago, we have our products only on HMI and PLC. At that time, actually, PLC was just starting.
that time it was just starting. We in 2012, in 2014, actually our POC, we have R&D and we starting to sell, and we didn't get profit at all from the POC. But nowadays, we can have developed so many products, such as the HMI, we have the new series, POC, we have from the most easiest series now to get like a medium IO high-end series. And as well as we are having our server, we are having our IoT gateways, we are having our PFPs. And also another small product is we are having industrial switch. Yes, now I want to talk about new Wecon. Wecon is a high-tech company that it is not a small high-tech, it's a national-owned high-tech company that we have currently having our employees over 500, and our companies was started by 2006. But honestly, start from 2006 to 2009, our team, our bosses actually, our bosses are many of R&D things from HMI. And currently, we can have we can tech park. It is about 30,000 square meters, and our offices all over China and in the world, like North China, East China, South China, West China, including from India, from Vietnam, and Egypt, Morocco, and some other part of the world. We have more than 40 remote offices. And what's more important is that Wecon is just starting from the scratch, and we from the software design, hardware design, all made by ourselves, produced by ourselves, and sold by ourselves, and support by ourselves. And it is from the scratch that we grew up. And from our R&D, actually R&D is the bottom line. I mean, how Wecon can how far we can go is based on our R&D. Our R&D now we have 150 people, and it is about 30% of my company. And some people ask me how many people in your production. I say it's just like maximum to 60. Maximum to 60. I'll tell you why that we are maximum to 60. Because we have so many products around. And on the R&D investment, in 2004, we have invested over 50 million R&D, which is 50 million yuans. That is about, this is quite significant. As you can see, Wecon spent more than 12% of their total revenue in R&D. So actually, मेरी बात हो रही थी उनके जो MD हम बोलते हैं, वो लोग जनरल मैनेजर बोलते हैं चाइना में, जो हेड होते हैं उनको जनरल मैनेजर बोलते हैं, मिस्टर वोंग है। तो मेरी बात चल रही थी, मैं बोला कि पहले तो ठीक ठाक था आपका कि इतना अच्छा सेटअप था, एक टेक पार्क में सारे फ्लोर्स ले रखे थे, दे रेंटेड द फ्लोर्स इन टेक पार्क, वो भी काफी अच्छा सेटअप था। मैं बोला कि आप इतना अच्छा सेटअप है, अभी नया फैक्ट्री बना रहे थे, नया फैक्ट्री बना रहे थे, तो बोले कि देखो अब इतना दे आर स्पेंडिंग मोर देन 100 करोड़ इन R&D। मैं आप नटसेल में बता दूं तो 100 करोड़ के आसपास तो R&D में डाल रहे हैं। तो बोले कि हमको ऐसा लगता था पहले कि R&D में हम इतना एक्सपेंस कर रहे हैं तो दैट इज सेल्फ सफिशिएंट, बट अभी हमको ऐसा भी रियलाइज हो रहा है कि बड़ी कंपनियां सिर्फ R&D नहीं देखती है, वो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी देखती है, तो इसलिए हमको अभी नया फैक्ट्री बनाना पड़ा है। बट अदरवाइज दे प्रीफर टू स्पेंड मोर ऑन R&D। लाइक आप देखें कि टोटल उसका है, उसमें 150 प्लस इंजीनियर्स है R&D। और R&D के लिए मैं छोटा सा आपको शेयर करूं तो R&D के लिए वो इतना महत्व देते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक्सास इंस्ट्रूमेंट के इंजीनियर है जो बहुत ही चाइना में बहुत ही टॉप पोजीशन पे थे, और
he was very good at सर्वो और सर्वो प्रोडक्ट डेवलप हो रही थी, तो वेकॉन ने उनको हायर करना चाहा। तो उनकी एक कंडीशन थी कि आई कैन ज्वाइन वेकॉन बट आई हैव अ कंडीशन, आई कैन नॉट लीव माय सिटी। वो शामैन करके एक सिटी है, अब शाइमैन बोलते, श बोलते, वो श बोलते, तो शाइमैन करके सिटी है, उसमें वो जेंटलमैन रहते थे, तो उनका कंडीशन ऐसा था। लेकिन वो ये कंपनी है, वो टेक्निकल जो पर्सनालिटी है या फिर टेक्निकल उसको इतना इंपॉर्टेंस देती है, तो उनको वही सिटी में एक R&D सेंटर खड़ा करके दिया विथ 25 पीपल, सिर्फ सर्वो के लिए, सिर्फ सर्वो के लिए उन्होंने उनको हायर किया, उनको उनके ही सिटी में, कि आपका कंडीशन है आप हमारे यहाँ नहीं आना चाहते तो आपके सिटी में। तो ये जो R&D का इंपॉर्टेंस है ना, वो वेकॉन में सबसे बड़ा है, तो उसके लिए वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, मीन्स कि कोई भी हद तक जा सकते हैं, कितना भी स्पेंड कर सकते हैं। तो दे हैव मोर पीपल इन R&D देन प्रोडक्शन, जैसे बताया 65 लोग ही है प्रोडक्शन में और R&D में 150 प्लस है, तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस।
Yes, later I will introduce to you why it is only 60% for our production. And now I want to share with you this is a south view of Wecon Tech Park. Then this city, we are in Fujian province and Fuzhou city, and our city is about a city of forest. But actually, you may see on the back side it is a lot. It has a lot of mountain, 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer, 4 layer. But actually, this is in the city center. And in our province, our nature of people is very much hardworking. It's because of we have no natural resource. That 80% of our land is mountain, 10% of our land is water, and 10% of our land is just flat land. So the people from our province, from earlier time, like poverty time, they are very much difficult, and they are traveling abroad. And nowadays, like the richest man in Thailand, in Malaysia, in Indonesia, they're all from my province and my city. And also, many like even TikTok posts is from our province. A lot of TikToks from our province. So our people with the business is kind of very good in China. And from our province here, we can see some flyovers, some high-speed trains.
ये तो फुजाओ सिटी है ना, फुजाओ सिटी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सिटी है, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग, लाइक इसमें पहाड़ भी है, नदी भी है और समुद्र भी, वो सारा कॉम्बिनेशन आपको उधर सारी ब्यूटी मिलेगी। और इट इज वेरी फेमस फॉर सी फूड, तो सी फूड के जो पसंद करते हैं तो उनके लिए ये स्वाद कैसा है, इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सी फूड अवेलेबल इन चाइना और से वर्ल्ड। उनका एक डिश आता है जो नॉनवेज लोग, मैं तो नहीं खाता हूँ लेकिन जो भी खाते हैं, उनके जो फिश को पसंद करते हैं वो फिश बॉल करके आते हैं, तो बहुत लोग पसंद करते हैं। तो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन और आई इनवाइट एवरीवन ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म टू विजिट द फैक्ट्री, visit the city. City is very beautiful. We'll ask you to get the visa and all. आपको जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट दिए उसको भी हम सपोर्ट करेंगे। तो everyone is invited there to see the factory। यहाँ तो आप सारा वीडियो जो पावर प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे, वहाँ टाइम देंगे।
Yes, those pipelines here, they are some high-speed trains and expressway. And actually, in front of us, there's another window probably, so it's very beautiful. Actually, here, you can see this circle in red. Here's my window. Here's my window. And this photo is taken from my window outside. So it's a beautiful, it has a beautiful bridge and beautiful window. And so actually there are something special. They have a sky tower bonus. My company take our R&D to be more important. Then they have a side funding, but we don't have.
Study करते रहते हैं.
And here is about the total flow of total land flow with big area over 7,000 square meters only for R&D. Only for R&D people. Those are the here are the offices. And earlier maybe some of you have seen our showroom video. This is a glance of our showroom. Now this showroom we are having over 800 square meters. And here are some photos of my product line. I will introduce more in the video. Our storehouse already stocked.
Precision manufacturing, innovation driven.
Here's about the factory production.
Technology.
So our company value is making better automation to build your success.
Intelligent manufacturing, reliable quality, precise.
Now this factory is all about something like digital factory. This that machine, it was a intelligent component counting device. So after we receive the semiconductor products, or after we use those semiconductor products, we always use this machine to count how many have been used and how many have been preserved.
Inductive smart material rack is equipped with one click.
And this one is an inductive smart material rack. The beauty of this is that, for example, we input a one HMI product code. It requires maybe over 200 semiconductors. But without using this one, actually the speed is not that fast. We have to select and pick each and every one.
रमन जी ये आपने देखा ना ये सिलेक्शन है ना बहुत बढ़िया है will you please go back to that selection वो पूरा ये जो स्टोरेज है स्टोरेज में सारे जो कंपोनेंट्स है ना वो कंपोनेंट्स रखे हैं फिर आपको एक मॉडल नंबर डालना है कि एचएमआई का ये मेरा मॉडल नंबर है तो अपने आप ग्रीन लाइट मोर देन 200 कंपोनेंट्स फॉर एग्जांपल है एक प्रोडक्ट में तो जितने भी कंपोनेंट्स है उसकी लाइट ग्रीन हो जाएगी वहां से उठाना सपोज आपने गलत उठा लिया तो बजर बजेगा ग्रीन लाइट वाली उठा दी गलती से भी आपने गलत उठा लिया तो ग्रीन बजर बजेगा तो बहुत इजी रहता है फास्ट रहता है प्रोसेस और जब भी वो ऑफिस डालेंगे तो एक्नॉलेज हो yes that's why he told that why our production people are less.
Yes, from here we only spend 1 to 2% only. So every day selecting the component.
Surveys found that some production lines
In recent few years, we have upgraded our SMT production line. Earlier, actually, we have 6 lines, but nowadays we have only 2 lines. It was because we have purchased the most basic, latest, and most advanced SMT production line from the world, and make the speed and also as well as the quality to be better than earlier.
with workshop level management systems enable full process digital management with IT. Then temperatures over a flow of it can ensure robust and solder. Automatic altitude inspection system check PC replacement and soldering effect with stable product. Dual sided alley achieve this.
So it's about dual-sided AY inspection for the products. It is taking cameras multiple times.
CD test fixed. Efficiently test electrical performance.
every single PC code we will get 100% testing.
Brace device provides comprehensive protection.
And this voting machine was fully designed by Wecon and used all Wecon products as the solution.
Intelligent school
तो अमल ये सारी ऐसी बातें हो गई कि अपना ही रेस्टोरेंट है और खाना भी उधर ही खाना है, ऐसा नहीं कि अपने रेस्टोरेंट को छोड़ के बाहर खाना है. तो वी आर यूजिंग only our automation in our production, right?
Yes, also this one is a SCADA machine that use Wecon CNC controller, which is currently not available internationally, but China we have CNC controller as well as the vision system to make this SCADA robotic screw long machine.
3 locking testing device switches.
And this one is for PLC 3-in-1 locking and testing device. This is also using Wecon products to make some ACDC testing. And here is one of the most important things that Wecon not only the backside label and the product information, but also, for example, for HMI, the touch panel, the LCD, the front shell, the back shell, the PCB board, everything we have the QR code to scan each process. This makes sure that we have a better quality control. And as long as there's something happen, we will realize and do the modification very fast and find out the reason very fast.
Line. Preventive defective products for entering the market. We got packing scanning system enabling one-step barcode scanning.
Also, this packing system help us to improve the efficiency, like 10 models in one QR code.
Through shipping efficiency and incredible delivery. Warehouse management system receives finished goods and
All of our warehouse and then the inbound outbound is all in MES system.
instructed process for production throughout that delivery of inbound products. Relying
So digitalization is very much important for the Wecon factory. That's why I think our factory is like only 50 to 60 people. And our target is to reduce our production team for like 40 only. We will include more machines. And the next part is a very important part. It's about Wecon Wiki platform.
It's just an example how to use the AI in the supporting system. So I think many among you might be using this AI. How many people are using Wecon Wiki? Anyone has used? Will you please raise your hand? Yes, yeah, very few. But I request everyone to use this. It is quite convenient. Mr. Roy will explain how to use them.
Yes, this one we call Wecon Wiki. This platform we have spent over 7 years to develop, and each and every day our technical engineers, our translators, they are working and uploading different kind of materials. It is including something like the menu, for example, the videos, FAQs, menus, demos, hardware download, wirings, and FAQs. Nowadays, this platform it is very important for us for the daily support, including our media team. When anyone asking questions, if possible, if there's any files are available, we just give them a link. In this regard, the customer can self-learning and check the quite easier. And sometimes people are not willing to ask, right? Even sometimes are very late. So this platform is very, very important.
Maybe that's
And we also use this as for chatting as well. And nowadays, I'm very confident to say that Wecon Wiki platforms on this technical support thing, we are number one in China. We are number one in China. And now we have the international active users are 52,000. And in India, it has 11,000.
Maximum from
Because maximum have 11,000 active users. And we are building global area like Thai area, this Turkish area, Vietnamese area. They are using different languages to know their language documentations. We also invite our friends to join us in building Wecon support center. And now I want to share about some Wecon. Now we new launched about Wecon AI chatbot.
Wecon Wiki platform support AI chat now. No need login. Click chat icon at bottom right tab.
Similarly, ये टीम के लिए बहुत अच्छा है आप ये टीम को दिखाइए ये बहुत आसान है बिकॉज विकी यूज करना उससे बहुत आसान हो जाएगी यू नीड नॉट इवन कॉल आवर एडमिन फॉर द सपोर्ट
So now this platform is all free.
Select the right product to improve
You can select the products and asking questions.
directly use your
Support so many languages. But you guys are very, very good on English. So English is the most
The
important
AI
one.
chat model supports context-aware conversational.
It's about context awareness because you can continuously to asking some questions. They will based on previous your questions and answers, then to give you another answer. Continuously answer.
Oh,
You can feedback us like you like it or you dislike it. If you dislike it, we will going to check why you don't like it, and we will review it.
Follow us for more product updates.
So I think today is a new milestone. Not only like we can have achieved some good milestone in China, and for example, we are a partner of BYD that in 2025, 2024 they have taken Wecon production. For example, the HMI every year take about 4,000 units, 4,000 units, and they are mainly using on BYD battery factory. And we are also the supplier of Foxconn, and also we are the supplier of the router, which is on the bottom from left is number two. This one is a manufacturer of the machine that they supply the machine to Volkswagen, to Mercedes. They all use their machine. And also we got a lot of like award from government and many government are visiting Wecon. And most importantly, that here in India we have a very very strong team that can do the best service and support to the our daily users in India. And today is a new milestone for us. It was because that actually we found Chinese team we are not able to come here for 7 years. It was because of after since 2030 it was COVID-19, and after that they have some visa problems. Yeah, so today is a new milestone for us. We return here with innovative new products and sincere dedication. Standing alongside average brands present here today, we strive to boost made in India, and I believe Wecon will be witness of India's green takeoff. Yeah, thank you so much. Here's about company introduction.
Thank you, Mr. Roy. Yes, definitely. Let us have some feedback from the customer and let us make this session more interactive. I would like to ask some reviews about the company. Sir, how after the video of the company infrastructure, what do you feel, sir?
Myself, Centric. I'm from Asia. So after seeing this video, my perception has changed. This company is from China and all things. So it is the first time I listen and see that most of the manufacturing companies invest in the R&D for the automation and something. It is like 3 to 8% of your turnover.
Is it correct? Now I'm seeing that it's a 12% investing in the R&D. So it is the surprising, it is definitely it is going in the um, long vision. And secondly, this company, it's around covering 30,000 meter area. So it is the covering the one complete city, 30 kilometers we can say. So it is surprising. That's why I'm requesting all of you to visit and be a witness of true witness of the technology and the company. Definitely. So you're welcome. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Uh, uh, I would like to have more reviews. सर क्या लगता है आपको अबाउट द वीकली सपोर्ट जो है वो आपने देखा कभी यूज किया है सर बट आपको भी सर फिजिकली सिचुएशन सर माइंडिंग प्रमोट फॉर दिल्ली तो मैंने साथ काफी अच्छे वीडियो के वेबसाइट ये तो अपनी मेरे ये सामने मैंने बहुत प्रोडक्ट है वो भी अपने को काफी ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट में जो भी चीज तो मैंने ये देखा है कि टाइम में बहुत से आपने देखे प्रोडक्ट तो मार्केट के हिसाब से किसी चैलेंजेस तो आज इस तरह के हिसाब से मैंने आपको आ रहे हैं तो कुछ और कभी फ्यूचर के हिसाब से हमारे Thank you. Thank you for your time. Yes. Mr. Roy, please continue with your presentation.
Thank you so much. And now I want to continue with one product introduction. Okay, now I want to introduce about Wecon HMI products. Wecon HMI product is the starting business of Wecon. This is our very much bottom line. And we are a real fighter on HMI. And nowadays we are very confident to say that on IoT HMI we are number one. We're number one in this industry. And now let me introduce our product line and some like key differences, core capabilities of our products. So our product line is starting from entry type series like Hyatt series and IE series HMI. And some special functional products like the WT series for waterproof HMI, which you have seen. And there's another series now, it is not coming yet, it's IS series, it's a 10-volt HMI. And the most important thing is about IoT HMI. We have currently three series, like 3000 IG, 8000 IG, 9000 IG. For entry series, we have IN series and IE series. IN series now 1071, it is for economical without internet, and 1076, it is the one have internet port. And IE series, it is starting from 3.5 inch to 10.2 inch. Those are having no internet port. And WP series, it is waterproof. Here, having models like only silver and also having models like the Internet Pro, as well as some are supporting Wi-Fi, some are supporting 4G as well. This series is one good milestone that we are going to this market for some waterproof, even in some industry special like textile.
और यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले भी है, आपने शायद देखा होगा सबने, यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले भी किया है वाटरप्रूफ रेसिमेंट. सो कितने लोगों ने यूज किया है Wecon का HMI? Will you please raise the hand so we can come to know? Oh, so many. All the. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Currently, I would like to inform you that we are selling more than 3000 PCs in a month. Yes. With all your support. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, this is IH series I've introduced earlier. So here's the IT series for our IoT HMI. I want to ask friends here a question. Anybody have used we call IT series HMI, and what kind of function you like the most? Would you please raise your hand? I will try to give you some small gifts over there. Please. Anyone have used IT series IoT HMI, and which feature does you like most? So please introduce yourself first.
चालू चालू है, माइक चालू है, आप बोलिए बस.
मेरा नाम सुनील है, मैं परम इंजीनियर सोनी कक्षा है. और मुझे IT सीरीज में सबसे अच्छे फीचर ये लगता है कि
थोड़ा नजदीक रखें. हाँ.
इस HMI में हम या तो अगर हमारे पास इंटरनेट का ऑप्शन नहीं है तो हम ऑफलाइन भी मॉनिटरिंग के लिए जा सकते हैं. सबसे बेटर चीज इसमें ये लगती है. और IoT बेस में तो हमें पता है क्या क्या इसमें फीचर आए हुए हैं, जैसे रिमोट मॉनिटरिंग, डेटा मॉनिटरिंग, अपलोड डाउनलोड, एवरीथिंग.
क्या क्या हो सकता है आईजी से? आप क्या क्या फंक्शंस कर सकते हैं इन नेट सेल, जो भी 4-5 फंक्शन है IoT HMI पे?
जनरली हम यही करते हैं, जैसे अब रिमोट एड्रेस पे HMI लगी है और प्रॉब्लम आ रही है मशीन में, तो हम डायरेक्टली उसको
debug you
debug
can use it
कर
to
रहे हैं.
debug or edit the program online, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or you can upload and download the program.
From remotely without any
और भी फंक्शन है.
also.
और क्या फंक्शन है आईजी के, स्पेशली रिगार्डिंग द IoT? हाँ, यस.
सर माई सेल्फ प्रमोद कुमार फ्रॉम इंजीनियर. सबसे बढ़िया फंक्शन ये है कि सर OEMs के लिए कि पासवर्ड लगा के बंद कर दो, बाहर से पैसा नहीं देगा तो.
ये धन्यवाद.
Anybody else would you like to share feature?
Yes, that is common in all HMI.
Hello, myself Gaurav and I'm from Strokes Automation. IG सीरीज HMI मेरे हिसाब से बहुत मस्त और बहुत बेस्ट है. और मैं डेली यूज करता हूँ, तो इसमें मतलब डाटा रिकॉर्डिंग, डाटा लॉग और एक्सपेरिमेंट और ये सारे जो भी फीचर्स हैं, ये इजीली मैं इसको यूज कर सकता हूँ. और इसके रिगार्डिंग जो IG में जो नया फीचर है क्लाउड वाला, तो ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल है. इसमें IG सीरीज में इसमें हम बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो इजीली कर सकते हैं.
बहुत कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं. He wants to express so many things, but अभी निकल नहीं रहा है, right? I can understand your feeling.
The best part is, as per, it's a cloud function.
Yes.
Yes.
So, whom you want to give the gift?
Yes, yes.
Whom? Yes. Okay. Maybe this gentleman?
And for our IoT series HMI, we are starting from 4.3 inch. Actually, this is the smallest IoT HMI in the world, and 4.3 inch also providing a lot of protocols. And then it's 7 inch, 10 inch, 12 inch, and 15 inch. And 12 inch and 15 inch, they are aluminum body, aluminum in front, and some shade like metal enclosure on the back. So basically, it has serial port, Ethernet port, USB port, as well as some like Wi-Fi 4G. It is supported, and one special model it is two Ethernet port model. This kind of model is very important for your customers. They require the HMI in the factory must be two Ethernet port, like to be isolate IP that for the cybersecurity reasons. And here are the hardware interface for 7 inch and 10 inch.
like 15 inch here. Actually, 15 inch we design is a very slim design, and actually we try to make it slimmer and make it to be nicer.
And metal enclosure. Right?
Yes, metal enclosure, aluminum in front, metal in on the back.
एक रिसेंटली अभी हमारा एक्सपीरियंस आपको शेयर करना चाहूंगा. वी रिजॉल्व वन प्रॉब्लम. प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं बोल सकते, ये रिक्वायरमेंट थी. We visited IFB. You know, IFB is a very good customer. IFB washing machine. They are producing very big washing machine for hotels, industries, hospitals वगैरह. उसके लिए बड़े बड़े वॉशिंग मशीन आते हैं. तो उसके लिए वो वॉशिंग मशीन बनाते हैं. They are using our products, HMI, PLC वगैरह. उनको एक हॉस्पिटल का ऐसा रिक्वायरमेंट था कि HMI है ना, HMI में भी थोड़ा रेडिएशन रहता है. जो स्क्रीन है ना, स्क्रीन से थोड़ा रेडिएशन रहता है. सो दे टाइड अप विद नारायण मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स. तो वो उसमें वो थोड़ा रेडिएशन का उनको प्रॉब्लम था. After that, after visited IFB, we suggested them 15 inch में metal enclosure. तो metal enclosure की वजह से जो रेडिएशन का प्रॉब्लम है वो सोल्व होता है. तो कहाँ थोड़ा दिमाग लगाने से कुछ रिसोल्व हो जाता है. तो मेटल एंक्लोजर में मेरा कहने का तात्पर्य ये है कि शेयर करने का मतलब ये है कि मेटल एंक्लोजर से रेडिएशन भी कम हो जाते हैं. आप उसको ग्राउंडिंग कर दो तो रेडिएशन बहुत कम हो जाए. नहीं तो स्क्रीन का थोड़ा रेजोल्यूशन, स्क्रीन का थोड़ा ये रहता है. यस.
Yes, so LT series HMI, one of the most important features about remote management. For example, like it has multi-device synchronized function. Like you can use app on your mobile phone, no matter it's Android
application,
no matter it's Android or iOS, as well as you are using tablet something. And also, for example, PC is available as well, and TV also available. TV for the central monitoring checking. And data upload function, you can upload the real-time data, and then you manage them to be the real-time, to be the alarm, or to be the historical data. And some remote debugging function. I believe many of the users have tested this function, especially they are using a VPN function. This VPN function is basically one way that you can make your PC to be virtually on site. In this regard, your engineers are facing problems. You don't even have to go to the site to resolve the problem immediately. You can stay remote to check what's the problem for the machine by remoting virtually on-site PC. Then open the PLC somewhere, check the online monitoring. Maybe there's some error, and you can do some adjustment. Or later on, you download the new PLC software. This is a save cost a lot. And we don't HMI, we are supporting wide range of PLCs. All those like famous brands in the world, we are also supporting. And total is over 200 PLC converters. And what's more important that is that we are developing other kinds of green tech PLC. Some people may be not much aware of green tech PLC. Like Siemens have green tech, Rockwell, which have green tech, almost have green tech teams, back off. As well as the companies, they are all green tech PLC.
प्रीटेक टैक्स, प्रीटेक्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. प्रीटेक प्रोटोकॉल कोई यूज करता है? Yes.
Yes. Here you can see one on NX NZ series PLC. This one was actually earlier. It was not developed. It was only developed because of BYD. The BYD, all the production lines have to use this series because for each station they will have like minimum 2,000 or 3,000 texts. So it will be thousand, it might be very strong and very strong. So free tech PLC, free tech protocol is very important. Only ways upon free tech and only way from by fast enough then we are capable for UI developing. So we developed this one especially for them. And nowadays, among most China also manufacturing, we are majorly the best on free tech protocols.
Excuse me. With this, अभी हमको सबको पता है कि ईवी का मार्केट जो है वो यहाँ पे मतलब ड्यू टू द प्राइसेस ऑफ द ऑयल उसका प्राइसेस बढ़ रहा है। तो ईवी का मार्केट का जितना भी ईवी मार्केट है वो अपना यहाँ पे इतना बढ़ने वाला है। और आई वुड लाइक टू से कि BYD जो है वो वेकॉन का सबसे बड़ा क्लाइंट है वहाँ पर। BYD इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट क्लाइंट, राइट, इन चाइना। तो अपने यहाँ पे ये मानेसर है, यहाँ पे जितने भी ऑटोमोबाइल हब नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो है ही, तो उसमें भी हम अप्रोच कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे वेकॉन का वहाँ BYD में इतना सारा चल रहा है, तो उससे हम यहाँ पर भी उसको अप्रोच करके आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं।
Yes. Thank you. Okay, sir.
Here is a function about data upload to cloud. Actually, I believe the users here, mostly you have used Wecon Cloud, but actually it is not only support Wecon Cloud, it is also support to redirect the data, real-time data to the third-party server, for example, like AWS server, or you can, as well as the local server provided by the factory itself.
कई गवर्नमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऐसी रहती है कि डेटा आपके सर्वर पे नहीं चाहिए, हमको उनका जो सर्वर रहता है, तो इन दैट केस वी हैव MQTT ऑप्शन, MQTT प्रोटोकॉल से ले सकते हैं एंड HTTP API से भी ले सकते हैं। तो इन दैट केस वो डेटा Wecon के सर्वर पे नहीं जाएगा। The best part is that VNet is very much powerful, but although some कुछ सिक्योरिटी इश्यूज रहते हैं, किसी को कंसर्न रहता है, वैसे सारी सिक्योरिटी तो हम गूगल को, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट को, सबको दे देते हैं, फेसबुक को, लेकिन यहाँ पे वो सोचते हैं कि नहीं अपना डेटा नहीं जाना चाहिए, तो ठीक है, चलो, वी हैव दिस ऑप्शन।
Actually, I have met so many clients. They are using two ways together. One way is about the data go to local server or factory server only. The other way is about that you want to make a remote screen or a central monitoring screen on VNet for the easier remote control and central monitoring. So some customers, they are using two ways together. And also now most of the Wecon HMI support Lua script. This script we do actually before we launching this Lua script, we have did a lot of script. But after we do some comparison, we found Lua script is the most lightweighted and easy learning one, as well as if it's carry on a complex like calculation, Lua script will be the fastest one. And also nowadays, because of AI, we have developed some functions by the support of AI. When AI gives us directly Lua script, then we develop some new functions.
तो ChatGPT और DeepSeek से भी हो जाएगा, आप बोल दीजिए तो आपको पूरा सेटिंग कर देंगे, तो कोई भी लिखिए।
Here is a function from device management tool. Actually, it is installed in Cat Studio, but it is called staging define. Maybe some people are not aware about that. This function is about OpenWC for this software. You can search on your network, local network to see how many devices you have. And also you can check log in your account to see how many devices you have on VNet, on cloud. So you can click them, select them. In the end, sorry. In the end, it will come with a general screen to monitor online device and offline device, on cloud device and local device, all together in a general screen. Maybe it can be 4 screens altogether, or 6 or 9 screens altogether. And nowadays, our products for PDF reader, and also now Andy is heavily working on how to make our PDF function to be better. Many customers proposed about the header footer, signature, digital signature. We are now developing, as well as we are developing some A4 printer.
Pharma application में 21 CFR part 11 compliance का जो भी requirement है, so we are trying our best to fulfill that.
Yes. And also, some models support camera function. It is basically an IP camera. For example, like a hip fiction, EZVIP camera. The one anyone support ONVIF this format, then this camera can be supported by PI 8000 series or PI 9000 series. And now PI 9000 series, we are supporting media player. This media player, why it is PI 9000? It was because PI 9000 we have added GPU inside.
वीडियो फाइल भी आप प्ले कर सकते हैं। तो कई कई अभी रिसेंटली पुणे का क्लाइंट है, उन्होंने बताया कि उनका जो हमारा HMI है, तो उनको ऑपरेशन थिएटर में डालना है, तो दे वुड लाइक टू हैव वीडियो मैनुअल, जो वीडियो मैनुअल है उसमें डालना है, तो वो मैनुअल रिफर करके वो आगे कर सकते हैं काम। तो उसके लिए ये बहुत हेल्पफुल है।
Another function is about also supported by PI 9000 series. It is about web browser. This web browser is called you can input your IP address or you can put input your URL. This function I have many customers. They are HVAC business. They are having PMS system that they run their stuff in the building remotely. They can, after they do some operations, they can use this browser to check whether the central control room has received my work, so they can put in the IP address then check. It's very convenient and cost saving for their staff. No need to move here and there. And also we are supporting like some printing file display function. Now it is loading a 3D file. For example, this is a factory over there. We can zoom in, zoom out to check each and every place. We can add any fixed lamp or board lamp something, then to check what's going on. If we have an overall checking for the factory. And this one is a multi-link function, especially for EV motor production line. The EV motor production line has multiple stations, but it requires some primary station, and it has so many secondary stations. In this regard, secondary station, whatever the operation they did in, the primary station were seen, and as well as primary station, you can do some operation. The secondary station, it is automatically to be seen. It is in land, in internet operation. This gives a lot of convenience on factory production line. Yes, here's my overall introduction for HMI. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Ross. So in nutshell, we have a very wide range of HMIs. You know, we are the strongest in HMI among the industry, and we are developing functions, and we are also doing lots of innovations with the HMI. We try our best to cover all the features, and many of you have all the features. And suppose if you would like to have any query, please come to us. Yes. Thank you. Thanks so much. Now I would like to introduce Mr. David, and he will explain about the PLC and IoT function, IoT devices.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our center. So please allow me. This is Stephen from China. So now please allow me to introduce our PLC products. As you can see here, this is our PLC production line here. First we have post-time basic PLC like LX1V, LX3V, LX5V, and LX5S. And the second part for the dispatch class PLC, we now have LX6V, LX6S, and the A500 series PLC. And the third part, we also have the PLC based on our based on the code 6. We call it AC60. So in these three data generations, you can see the CPU, ROM, and flash has been improved very significantly. Safe, and you can see the especially for the flash from LX1V has increased for about 3,000 times to Everyone can answer this question. What should be the get some feedback from the audience? What is the future of PSC?
Underwood, sir.
क्या आप एक्सपेक्ट क्या करते हैं कि कैसा होना चाहिए PSC? कोई जादू वाला
आलोक जी जो है वो फुल प्रोग्रामिंग के मास्टर है, तो वो बता सके कि
तो कोई जादू वाला नहीं, लेकिन क्या होना चाहिए? what kind of ideal kind of PLC आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं? PLC कैसा होना चाहिए?
My name is Alok Kumar from Centric. बेसिक बता रहा हूँ, हम लोग 8 साल से इक्वल का मतलब यूज कर रहे हैं और यदि हम लोग इसमें प्रोग्रामिंग सॉफ्टवेयर हो इसका यदि हम लोग प्रोग्राम कर पाते हैं सिंपल तरीके से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं आती है।
हाँ, तो फ्यूचर क्या होना चाहिए? ये तो पास्ट की बात होगी, करंट की बात होगी। फ्यूचर में क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
जैसे गाड़ी तो पहले मारुति सुजुकी आ रही थी, वाहन आ रही थी, इसमें अभी क्या क्या गाड़ियां आ गई है। प्लीज।
हेलो, गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन।
Yes.
myself Rekha from ITI Automation Private Limited. बेसिकली पीएलसी में सबसे बड़ा मेरे लिए चैलेंज जो है ना वो ये है, मुझे लैपटॉप से पीएलसी को प्रोग्राम करना, ठीक है, तो केबल लगानी है, उसकी कंपेटिबिलिटी से चेक करनी है, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, तो ये होना नहीं चाहिए। पीएलसी शुड भी, मैंने पीएलसी लगा दिया, इट शुड हैव वाईफाई नेटवर्क जो मुझे समझ आती है, तो मेरा नेटवर्क तो मेरा लैपटॉप कनेक्ट है और वी कैन अपलोड डाउनलोड जो चेंजेस करने मैंने किया, ठीक है, तो ये अपलोड डाउनलोड के लिए केबल ठीक है, दैट शुड बी सही, लेकिन फ्यूचर यही है पीएलसी का, पीएलसी को आपने लगा दिया और रिमोटली आप कहीं से कंट्रोल कर सकते हो उसको, अपलोड डाउनलोड और फीचर ऐड करते हैं, और कंपेटिबिलिटी इस लेवल पे होनी चाहिए कि लेकिन सपोज मैंने पीएलसी लगा दी, अभी उसमें मुझे अभी है कि प्रोटोकॉल कन्वर्टर ऐड करने हैं और चीजें ऐड करनी है, लेकिन वो उसके लिए एक हाई लेवल की पीएलसी हमें परचेस करनी पड़ती है, इट शुड बी कंपैटिबल विद एवरी पीएलसी, तो आगे चल के ये चीजें होनी चाहिए कि पीएलसी शुड बी लाइक एन आईओटी डिवाइस।
Sir, we have a question for your expectations. Sir, in the beginning, शेप कैसा होना चाहिए? हाँ, जो पीएलसी है, फ्यूचर पीएलसी, उसका शेप कैसा होना चाहिए? Yes, yes, this signal. Yes, middle. Yes, yes. Sir, शेप होना कैसा होना चाहिए? सर हिंदी में बात करते हैं सर, पंजाबी में करिए,
नहीं,
गुजराती में करिए।
हेलो
सर भी कंफर्ट
शेप तो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है,
लेकिन एक पिक्चर में सामने नहीं जितना छोटा उतना बेटर है। हाँ बट एक पिक्चर में करता है ना डिफरेंट है, जैसे हम एनालॉग्स ले रहे हैं और डीआईडीओ ले रहे हैं या तो कंडीशन तो आप एक पिक्चर में जाना चाहिए, उसकी क्या है अंदर से कार्ड लगाओ, ऊपर से आरएस पाइप का अलग लगाओ या कुछ डिफरेंट, मतलब एक ही स्क्रू लगाओ, वायर लगाने के लिए स्क्रू लगाओ, फिर उसका स्क्रू रखे हैं उसको टाइट करो, फिर वो लगा के फिर वो देखो राइट। ओके तो वी हैव
Thank you, sir. And all those laws complete these are key points about because PLC it should be smaller and stronger. Smaller it means it needs the less space for the cabinets, and the stronger it means it should support a lot of industrial.
सर थोड़ा थोड़ा आपका आंसर आ रहा है सर,
and for powerful communications.
और आपका भी
And for this age, AI age, it should be have some functions related to AI. So this is our new generation's Wecon PLCs to catch up with the futures of PLC.
मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि how much flexible this PLC is. See, these are the IOs. You can remove like this. And this is the width of this expansion module is only 12 mm. Only 12 mm. और आप ऐसे ही लगा सकते हैं. You can remove or you can insert. और इसमें जो सारे टर्मिनल्स है पुश टाइप है कनेक्टर. You did not to even वो स्क्रू माउंटिंग जैसा कुछ चक्कर नहीं है. पुश टाइप कनेक्टर है सारे. So Ethercat support है, right? So we tried our best to fulfill the expectations of the industry. Yes, please go ahead.
And this is the hardware operation for Alexa 6 week. And you can see they provide two SNET ports. One is for Ethercat and one is for SNET communication. And this is the A500 PLC we just represent, and you can see it's with the same IO points. With the
How
same
many
IO
servo
points.
we can drive? Let him. मैं इनसे ही पूछता हूँ. चलिए. How many servos we can drive on this PLC?
It depends on the PLC's mode. Maximum is for 64. That's it.
No, only one this first is.
Pulse is for 4-channel pulse output.
Sir,
We have any product for 5,000 kilohertz pulse output.
he means to ask. Yes, sir.
500 kilohertz pulse output signal.
200
Any product we have.
500 kilowatts we have.
You can see for the pulse output.
Yes, yes.
Is about 150. Hey,
200 kilowatts.
We are developing like other OPC products. Yeah, those products.
But we have some expansion module, right? For CGA, you can have the expansion and you can increase.
That's not the case.
And this is the total configuration for our two generations PLCs. As you can see here, compared to the old PLC house type, it requires less wiring for the servo control. And for the older generation PLC, limited by his hardware design, it's hard to connect more server for one PCB device. But with our new generation, with the help with the Ethercat
communication protocol, so we can connect to more multi-axis scenarios. Some applications that we doing in China, like the battery line, it is all about EtherCAT. It must be EtherCAT. And earlier, the EtherCAT actually, it is very expensive, but nowadays, EtherCAT price significant drop down. People just use a little bit more cost, then you have EtherCAT. And the wiring, the speed is totally different. Totally different. I believe some machine makers are already starting using EtherCAT. So it is quite flexible and cost saving actually. And even for the cost saving on the manpower. And for our new generations PLCs, it supports more powerful communication protocols like OPC UA and Ethernet IP. So in these scenarios, the PLC is not just a controller; it's also for your communication hub for your whole system. And with the support for the ST programming language, it's more comfortable, efficient, stronger way. जो लैंग्वेज है लेटर डायग्राम अभी एसटी लैंग्वेज में हम लोग कर रहे हैं इट इज ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड तो एसटी का स्ट्रक्चर टेक्स्ट लैंग्वेज आप सब जानते हैं तो इसका सपोर्ट हमको एआई से भी मिल जाता है तो आपका पूरा प्रोग्रामिंग भी एआई कर देता है अभी एआई एरा है पूरा तो पूरा प्रोग्रामिंग भी इसमें हो जाता है तो लेटर में ये मुश्किल है लेकिन एसटी में इट इज पॉसिबल यस सर एक काम करते हैं Q&A सेशन है ना नहीं तो आप आने में बहुत लेट हो जाएगा सर तो क्योंकि ऑलरेडी वी आर वेरी लेट हमारा 7:45 से चालू हुआ है तो थोड़ा क्वेश्चन आंसर पास में रखते हैं थोड़ा यस एंड फॉर द न्यू जनरेशन थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन रखेंगे बट लाइक क्वेरी से आपकी थोड़ी बात में रखेंगे So you can export your own function block for repetitive usage. It saves a lot of time for the standard process. For the extension module, we now provide more convenient visual configurations interface. So just drag your the module and click. You can configuration the parameters and make the just manually. It is kind of like visualized. We can see what kind of modules we have added to be visualized. Then it is easier. And we not only provide the PLC, we also provide the special modules to meet all your requirements. Our special module has these three advantages. First, for high-speed communication, it makes data transmission in the real time, and flexible mesh and provide many different kinds of extension module for free optional. And with the blade instructions, it's easy for you to install and save a lot of space. This is the full list for our LX60 and the AC60 special modules. You can see now we provide digital and analog output and module, and also for the temperature communication module. And earlier, some people are asking, like push control. I think 200K. It is coming. It is coming. Here are the list of ready one. For A500 extension module, now we have digital and analog module, and for the temperature communication module is still under active rapid. So we are focusing more on this A series of PLC. I think we have the R&D is focusing more on A500. So in future, I think we believe that is a PLC of the future. In our company idea is that A series, like the one on the poster over there. This series, maybe within 5 years, all the market it will change. It will change to this type, and the block type, which is very big one like the L3B or 5S, in the future it will be disappeared. It will be disappeared as long as the cost down of this A series. And now we are developing another for A300 series. A300 series, the cost will continue to go down. So in this regard, some IO adding some IOs after that, the price compared to the old one is more or less the same.
And also, if you need more IO modules, and for remote IO, and you can use our SDH, so net, and this IP components. It supports it also supports other brand PLCs, and with our electricity, you can connect. So you can connect 128 modules.
Here I want to special say about the prominent component. Siemens are so much famous everywhere, no matter in China or in India. So, but actually Siemens PLC is very good, and but the expansions are very costly. So we have developed prominent coupler. In this regards, you can still use Siemens main PLC unit, but in this you can use Wecon prominent coupler and Wecon IOs to have the cost down. So this is very welcome by some, especially some your customers.
Okay, so this is the part for the PLC structures, and let's go to the our Webox IoT gateway.
Actually, for Vbox, it's kind of the rising star of Wecom products. And many people think about to use Wecom Vbox to as the knock door weapon or knock door thing that to get customers' trust and interest. We also think in that way that Vbox is one of the most beautiful features of Wecom products.
So first, let's see the production milestones. We have developed our IoT products for 10 years. In 2016, and we launched the SPI 8000 series HMI, the first generation IoT HMI. And next year, we launched S series Webox, the first generation for IoT gateway. And for the last 2 years, we launched the I series Webox, the most powerful IoT gateway for the moment. And in the last year, we launched WinNet 2.0 to provide a more security reliable platform. So for our WinNet platform, maybe some of you are not familiar with this. This is the architecture of our platform. The defaults and the IoT HMI translates the data from sensors, PLCs to our WinNet. So no matter how many devices you are, you can bring them all to one platform. Using our WinNet applications, you can easily get untouched. So WinNet, after using the WinNet को introduce करने के बाद बहुत कुछ अच्छा improve हो गया है. Even the VPN pass-through is also improved. I think many of you might have used WinNet 2.0. So काफी कुछ stable platform है, and it also enhances lot of features. Yes, let's for more details. For both plugins based on custom functions, they allow application of your computer to go to the device outside. You can download the projects via box and visualize. So in that time, engineers don't need to go on site, save a lot of time and improve the work efficiency.
this function, our HMI also provides, for example, like VPN function, WVPN function. But on VNet here, it provides one special one. It is for HMI pathway. That this HMI is on VNet. Actually, you can use VNet to download the HMI program to renew it. So in this program, HMI also can be renewed.
For the centralized management, maybe you have a lot of price on your account. So let's provide centralized management via multiple ways, such as having map-based visualization across device cloud data. And for the data center model, it allows users to process comprehensive data from different devices with a single terminal, single space. And for the data connectivity, it defines two parts. First, our Wecon can build communications over 400 various different PLCs and also can connect to the third-party platform via blockchain. And as you can see, well, our platform also provides public demo accounts, so allow the new customers to log in to familiar with our new platforms.
I want to know that how many people here, maybe you are using VNet? Can you please raise your hands? VNet.
VNet कितने लोग यूज कर रहे हैं? Very few, very few.
Very few.
Well, I think all people are agreed now.
Okay.
So if you are not familiar with it, please log in our demo account.
We have a demo account that anybody can log in at any time. So you can just check what kind of features is over there.
So after you log in, you can see many different functions like device management, user management, and also have some public functions like maintenance, large screen monitor. We will release it in a prototype and page for the functions. We also provide the cloud startup box. You can build up your own cloud startup project. Built into provide to present your project.
It is able to download and use it.
And that's part is account for our IoT gateway products.
So VBox तो काफी it is like an entry point. को ब्रांड का कंसर्न है कि हम तो सीमेंस का यूज करते हैं, हम तो एबी एलन बेटली का पीएलसी यूज करते हैं, वी डोंट वांट टू चेंज अवर ब्रांड. तो उसके लिए ये VBox इज अ काइंड ऑफ एंट्री पॉइंट. इट एक फंक्शनैलिटी मिल जाती है. सीमेंस का कोई पीएलसी आप यूज करेंगे बिकॉज इट सपोज मोर देन 200 प्रोटोकॉल्स. तो सारा जो भी इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट्स है अवेलेबल है, जो भी ब्रांड्स है अवेलेबल, उसके सारा सपोर्ट मिल जाता है VBox से. तो VBox आप किसी भी पीएलसी या HMI या कोई भी डिवाइस से यूज कर सकते हैं उसके साथ, उसको क्लाउड कनेक्टिविटी देने के लिए. और सारे फीचर्स भी आप जानते हैं, VBox के बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप सबने यूज किया है ऑलमोस्ट.
Okay, and for our VBox and the IG HMI, it's just it acts as a data carrier, and not only support our WeCon platform, we also provide the API so you can integrate it your own information systems.
Let me simply introduce one project we have in our city, in Fuzhou City. We have worked with Fuzhou Water Supply Coordinate Company. This is a national company. They are supplying water to all communities. But each and every community they are like for high apartments, but the water supply, water pressure is not the same, so it requires water boosting, pressure boosting, and constant water supply. So in this regards, nowadays they are using some water pumps and use Wecon PLC, use Wecon VBox as well. But for this data, they are not going to use Wecon Cloud. Wecon Cloud, so it is require us to send a private send by MQTT privately to Fuzhou Water Supply Center. Uh, this this project we did in Fuzhou just in this year first quarter we finished 500 project 500 pieces, and in 2026 we are going to finish total 2,000 units of supplying. So HMI is there, PLC is there, VBox is there. So this kind of project, I think it is for infrastructure. It is everywhere in the world. It is very much useful.
And for Webox, now we provide three different series: E series, H series, and the I series.
ये नया RH सीरीज किसने यूज किया है? किसी ने किया है यूज RH सीरीज? RH सीरीज? Yes, Roy, can you little brief about RH series? Yes.
Our series, this series, it is not just only a simple VBox. This series provide HDMI port. This HDMI port is very useful. One, it can connect to all kinds of TV. The maximum can support 4K resolution display. So in this regard, people you can make your like mini SCADA, then show on TV. But by on TV, it is only support like USB mouse controls. But we have another product which is a touch display. Touch display. So now we have 31-inch, and we are planning to have 24-inch, even up to 32-inch to have this touch display. This is very useful for some production line in the factory. Earlier, they want to monitor one line. They have to buy a box PC and also need to buy the SCADA software. But in this one, they don't need to buy that much expensive products. They just use iSeries and our touch monitor or TV. Then it is going to have the all production line to be shown real time.
मैं लेमन लैंग्वेज में समझाऊँ तो ये जो R सीरीज है वो विदाउट डिस्प्ले का HMI है, राइट? तो आप HDMI कनेक्ट करके आपका HMI का साइज जितना बड़ा चाहे, 65 इंच बड़ा चाहे तो 65 इंच, जितना भी बड़ा, तो ये आप एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं साइज ऑफ द HMI। और सबसे ब्यूटीफुल चीज ये है कि इसका जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है उसके लिए कोई अलग सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है, वो HMI का ही सॉफ्टवेयर है, वो यूज करके उसको कॉन्फ़िगर कर सकते हैं। तो दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट एंड इट इज न्यूली इंट्रोड्यूस। साथ में ये जैसे मिस्टर रॉय ने बताया कि WS21 करके टच स्क्रीन अभी ऑफर करते हैं, वो टच स्क्रीन भी है और आपको 21 इंच में मिल जाता है प्रोडक्ट।
Yes, as you can see, when we connect our WS21 display to our RS3 box via HDMI cable and USB cables, you can do some touch control of our display.
This is really useful for factory automation.
Okay, let's see some applications in our based on our WinNet and the WinBox. The first is for Google Sheet script.
This is about that VBox nowadays can use one Lua script that we developed by AI supported. It is sending data real time to Google Sheet. Sending data real time to Google Sheet. Some people are asking how to most easiest to take the data. That this is the answer.
अच्छा, Wecon इंडिया ने इसका वीडियो बनाया है कि हाउ टू कॉन्फ़िगर गूगल शीट डेटा आप कैसे ले सकते हैं गूगल शीट पे। तो और कभी किसी को चाहिए उसका कुछ सपोर्ट वगैरह चाहिए तो सौरभ इज ऑलवेज देयर टू सपोर्ट हिम।
wireless features, you can save your data log in your longer time. And this is the HVAC systems which are already in our Wecon headquarters using our Webox and our Wecon VFD. So in this case, we insist to use our own products because we have a lot of confidence for our own products can handle this systems. And we want to show this confidence to all customers who visit our headquarters.
And this is in the roof, I mean top floor of our headquarters, and there has very beautiful view. And but also you can find Wecon VFD as well as Wecon VBox HMI. It is over there. We are making this kind of energy monitoring system by ourselves. Sometimes my boss checking this a lot, say, you are using too much power, and the cost is very high.
Okay, that's all. Thank you. Mr. David, now I would like to request Mr. Saurabh. Mr. Saurabh, कहाँ खोए? आपकी बारी आ गई. Yes. चलो थोड़ा yes, सौरभ आपकी राह देख रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छे R&D वाले जो engineer हैं.
We'll explain more about our servo products and VFD. Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Kumar and we are handling of North India. Today I discuss to introduction मैंने की किया servo पे. Today I have discussed with servo and VFD. So basically, we want to have 5 type of servo. Okay, and minimum range to get pulse type, analog type, and Ethercat type. And newly launched Wecon servo right now P20 series and E20. P20 is the basically pulse type, and in this drive operating in a single drive to operate 2 servos right now. And E20 is the Ethercat drive, and this drive is same function. And yeah, I would like to show the P20. Yes, sir. We recently introduced. This is the servo. This is the servo. This is the servo drive P20 pulse type. No, this is the nomenclature of our VD2 VD series VFD. VD2 is the series, and next 014 is the ampere. S is tends to the voltage is 220, and T tends to the T30. Next encoder, absolute encoder, and next G is the basic function. Yes, drive का. नहीं, ड्राइव का जैसे हमें सिलेक्शन करना है तो सर्वो का रेटिंग क्या डिफाइन करते हैं, उस हिसाब से ड्राइव का सिलेक्शन करते हैं एम्पियर पे. क्योंकि अगर हम ज्यादा एम्पियर ड्राइव सर्वो में देंगे तो वो सर्वो जलने का है. हाँ, डेफिनेटली. अगर हम जैसे 16 एम्पियर का ड्राइव लेते हैं और हमारा सर्वो 750 वॉट या 400 वॉट यूज करते हैं मोटर, तो वो नहीं ऑपरेट नहीं होगी, एरर दिखाएगी हमें ड्राइव में. तो सर्वो सिलेक्शन टूल में भी वो मैं आगे टूल में बताऊंगा. ये हमारा आपका क्या नाम है सर? आपका क्या नाम है सर? सुमित जी हम एक स्पेशल सेशन रखेंगे आपके लिए, ठीक है? ये सब जाने के बाद अकेले आपके साथ सेशन रखेंगे. श्योर. दिस और यू विल गेट ऑल द आंसर्स. ये हमारा सबसे बेसिक मॉडल है VD2L इकोनॉमिकल सीरीज एंड पल्स टाइप ड्राइव. ये हमारा VD2 सीरीज है, एनालॉग विथ एनालॉग एंड पल्स टाइप. इसका रेंज जो है हमारा वो 400 वॉट से लेके 7.5 किलोवाट तक रहता है.
और VD2L का हमारा रेंज जो है वो 400 वॉट से लेकर के 1 किलोवाट तक रहता है। ये हमारा हार्डवेयर है VD2 सीरीज का। टाइप ए जो है हमारा 3 एम्पियर से 14 एम्पियर तक आता है, और टाइप बी जो है हमारा VD2 सीरीज में वो 16 एम्पियर से 30 एम्पियर तक होता है, एंड टाइप सी जो है 30 एम्पियर से नवा आता है। ये इसमें 3 फेज अवेलेबल होता है। ये हमारा इथरकैट बेस्ड सर्वो है VD3। VD3 आप लोग एक चीज बताओ, इथरकैट सर्वो किस पर्पस के लिए लोग आप यूज करते हो बेसिकली? एनीवन?